You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into what it really takes to move from America to Italy in 2025. The paperwork, the permits, the planning, and most importantly, how to make the entire process manageable and stress-free. Moving to Italy isn't just a dream, it's a process. Before you even think about packing, you're going to need to secure the right visa. Whether you're applying for an elective residency visa, a work visa, or a student visa, the application must be filled at an Italian consulate in the US well before your departure. Once you arrive in Italy, there's a critical next step, applying for your residence permit. And you have to do that within 8 days. This document is what turns your visa into an active legal stay. You'll also need proof of income and accommodation. For example, elective residents must demonstrate an annual income of approximately $31,000, while digital nomads and remote workers require around $24,789. Your housing documentation can be a rental agreement, deed, or a host letter. Italy requires private health insurance before you qualify for the public system. And if you'll be there longer than a year, you'll sign an integration agreement, which means you'll commit to learning Italian and understanding Italian civic life. This might sound like a lot, and it is, but that's where SDC International Shipping comes in. While you're working through visas, we're handling everything else, from professional packing and international freight coordination to custom documentation and delivery in Italy. SDC streamlines your physical move, allowing you to focus on your legal and personal transition. When it's all handled with expertise, the process becomes less of a maze and more of a meaningful move. Are you ready to start your move to Italy? Visit our website or call 877-339-0267 to speak with an international relocation expert today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.